Hello, welcome to miniOrange. How to configure Magento as an IDP. Let's get started with the setup. To log in to the Magento admin dashboard, enter your username and password. You are logged into your dashboard. Now go to the SAML IDP extension from the left menu. Click on the account from the list. Log in using the username and password associated with the miniOrange user account and click on the Login button. Here you will require the license key to activate the extension. For that, click on the Click here to view license key link. For the license key, login to the miniOrange account. Here you can see the license key to activate the extension and copy it. Go back to the Magento site and paste the copied license key in the text box. Read the terms and conditions before activating the license key by clicking the checkboxes. Then click on the Activate License button to activate the license. Navigate to the Application tabs. Let's configure Magento as an IDP. In this Application tab, select OAuth OpenID from the drop-down menu. Under Choose Application, search for OAuth application. Select the OAuth application option. Enter your OAuth client application name. Copy the redirect URL from your OAuth client application and paste it here. Now enter the required scope in this field. Enter OpenID email profile. Enter the access token expiry time in hours. Enter the JWT token expiry time in hours. Now enter the refresh token expiry duration in days. In the grant type dropdown, select your desired grant. Now click on the Save button. App is configured successfully. Now click on the Action menu, then click on the Edit. Copy the generated client ID and client secret, and paste them into the corresponding fields in your OAuth client application. Click on the Add Attribute buttons. Enter the attribute name here as required, and select the value of the attribute you want to map against the attribute name from the dropdown. You can add multiple attributes according to your requirements by clicking on the Add Attribute button. Click on the Save button to save your Magento configuration. In the Application tab, click here to get the Magento OAuth endpoints. Select the site from the drop-down menu where you want to enable SSO. Click on the Save button. Settings saved successfully. You can see the endpoints below. Copy the URLs and paste them into your OAuth client application in the corresponding endpoint fields. Now click back to My Apps to return to the application. Click on the Action menu. Now click on the SSO link. Here is the IDP SSO initiated URL. Copy this URL. Let's see how it works. Open an incognito window and paste it into the address bar. Log in with your Magento credentials. Congratulations, the user has successfully logged into the OAuth application using Magento credentials. Let's explore how the backup restore feature works. We have configured OAuth application here. Let's export its configuration. To do so, navigate to the Debug/Backup tab. Then go to the Backup and Restore section. We offer a backup configuration feature that lets you quickly set up another instance by simply uploading the downloaded file. Click on the Backup Now button to download your configuration. Let's see how you can easily restore the backed up configuration into the new instance. As you see, there is no configured application here. Navigate to Debug/Backup tab. Under the Store configuration, upload the downloaded config file here and click on Restore button. Data imported successfully. Now go back to the Application tabs. Configured application store successfully. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us at magentosupport@securify.com.